Hello, welcome to GS Global Consultancy. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our premier consultancy firm. For over a decade, we've specialized in tailoring specific products and services to meet the unique needs of high net worth individuals, sophisticated investors, and business owners through a holistic approach. At GS Global Consultancy, our core business revolves around private equity and pre-IPO opportunities. We assist early-stage companies with tremendous potential, helping them grow and succeed. Our expertise is backed by years of forging partnerships with some of the world's top corporate advisory firms, significantly extending their global market reach. At GS Global Consultancy, each of our products and services is meticulously tailored to meet individual needs. Whether you are seeking freedom of travel or a better life for your family through our Citizenship programs, looking to protect your wealth with ideal offshore structures and trusts, or a business aiming for expansion, we've got you covered. We also act as specialist project funding intermediary and have access to a global network of 700 hedge funds, family offices, and niche lenders. Our suite of services is designed to support your specific requirements, so please don't hesitate to reach out if we can assist you in any way. We take pride in the bespoke products and services we offer and are committed to excellence in everything we do. If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you navigate through our exciting services. Thank you for choosing GS Global Consultancy.